All right, welcome to part 2 of website and interaction design. I'm going to show you some examples to show you how we can use affordances to enhance understanding and user interactions. And these are examples I found from this website here, this Envision app website. So I'll put a link in the notes to this video, I think. So you can go see what they say about these elements. But these are just really interesting examples. So for example, right here, we're going to split a bill, and we can actually visually change how we split the bill using these vertical bars, and it'll adjust the amount for us. So the affordances this takes advantage of is the ability to have these sliding controls. They weren't always available, on apps and websites, but they're taking advantage of the sliding controls to make it really easy to visualize and adjust the amount that the bill is being split into. This next one, this is a wine bottle shopping cart. When they click on it, it goes back into the shopping cart, and you can actually see the bottle move from there to the shopping cart. And then you can see the basic idea here. So what this is doing is it's using that graphics affordances where we can create very smooth graphics these days that move like this. And what it does is it makes a smaller version of this. Yeah, it's a smaller version that by itself you would have trouble deciphering. But because it starts big and then goes small, it becomes a representation that works really well in the shopping cart. This one is changing colors, and more apps are doing this now, where you can change colors without having to click off into another place. So it's using that dynamic web content affordances to minimize how many clicks you have to make to try to view a product. And that's going to help people stay on the web page longer and buy more stuff. This is a cheeseburger. So this example, they have a lot of different types of cheese they can put on their burger. So they could just have a really long list of cheese, but instead they have you go to cheese, and then they have the types of cheese that could come on. So they're using those embedded menus to make it easier to select and then understand what you can put on your cheeseburger. This one, you can try to see what it would look like to add things to a house. So it's using the visual design affordances we have now to smoothly transform images in different sizes to make it easy to understand and see what happens when you add on to a house. So these are pretty simple and straightforward, but it's just something good to think about, that when we're using web design and UI design, we're following these same principles of keeping things clear and simple and consistent, but also just that we can use the affordances of the tools we use to enhance understanding. So it might be we can use an animation. If we use it in a way that enhances understanding, then it's an appropriate use. We can use different colors. If we use the colors in a way that enhances understanding, that's using the affordances of colors. So just drawing back to some of that early vocabulary we talked about earlier in that course. So thanks for watching.